Second day of leech trapping. We'll see how this goes. There's my mono line attached to the trap. Okay, let's check it. Slow retrieval. Slow retrieval. Alright. Oh, it stinks. Whew. Oh yeah. More than one, that's for sure. Ooh, some good ones down here at the bottom. Okay guys, we got quite a few again. That's awesome. All I'm using is the deer liver that I got from my whitetail buck, but you can use anything. You can use probably pork liver, beef liver, whatever, chicken liver, even fish head would work. We got a ton this time. So this time I left it all day and all night. Let's set the track back and then let's go fishing. We're definitely gonna catch some fish with these. Look how busy it is today. It's a beautiful day and it's so busy. Good thing I have a kayak. I just parked at the very last spot here. And yeah, it's so close to the lake. That's the other benefit of having a kayak. Yeah, I just unloaded right here at the very last stall. And then yeah, the lake is right there. Alright guys, I'm all loaded up and ready to hit the water. Got my paddle, my rod, my net, my water bottle, the leeches I trapped, and worms, fish finder, camera, rod holder, my tackle boxes, fish grabber, pliers, knife, strainer. We're all ready to roll. Wish me luck. Alright. We're inside the kayak. There we go. Whew. We are on the water. Nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. I just launched the kayak. First I'm gonna put my fish finder on. See if there's any fish around here. How deep it is. All that stuff. There we go. So I just stuck my fish finder on the boat here. Turning on the Garmin. Traditional. Working great, 3 feet here. Let's put that on. Zoom on auto. No zoom. There we go. 3.7 feet. I think I need to go deeper than that. But hey, you never know. Let's start trolling. Today I'm using my 7-foot rod with the bait caster reel, bait feeder reel I mean. First cast. I think I'm gonna troll with the rod. Just cast it right back. Off. And we paddle. Oh, now we're trolling 3.8 feet. Wow, the fish finder is working great. I don't know if you guys can see my fish finder here. Working great. It's 4 feet here. Let's pass some leaves. Oh, there was a fish there. I spooked the fish. I spooked the fish. There is fish here. Any luck?
Yeah.
Nothing?
Not really set up today.
Oh, okay.
How about you?
I just got out here.
Yeah. I saw one tulipy get reeled in on off.
Oh, tulipy, wow. That's all, hey? Okay. I spooked a fish over back there while I was just trolling.
That's a nice kayak.
Thanks. Just the Costco Pelican Mission 100.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right on.
Works pretty good.
How
Well,
much?
I think it was $3.99.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's a hell of a price.
Yeah.
For that. Right on.
All right. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Tullaby. Somebody caught a tullaby. Holy crap, that's a big walleye. Woo! Fish on. Whew. Nice walleye. We got it. Got it done. Check this guy out. They're here. Hey, got one.
I noticed. Good work.
Thanks. So I'm just using a jig with a paddle tail. Just have it bounce on the bottom a little bit. It's about 4 feet here. Yeah. They come in shallow in the spring too, because they're just done spawning.
Nice little walleye, or?
Yeah, it's walleye.
Oh yeah.
Pretty nice eater.
Wow, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Good work.
I spooked a few actually. I think they're all walleyes just along here.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. There we go. Check that walleye out. Dang. That's a nice one. We are on the board. First walleye of the year. That's awesome. That is awesome. Check that walleye out. So I just caught a walleye. Whew. Feels good to catch the first walleye of the year. Yeah, I was just using same thing as my last video, a paddle tail with a jig and a bottom spin. And yeah, just cast it. I guess I'll show you guys this. Just using this. And yeah, I was not using bait or anything and caught the walleye in 4 feet of water. Crazy. It's May 15th and they're still in shallow. And it's hot today. It's like 20 plus degrees right now. The walleye I caught was a pretty nice eater. Yeah, let's keep on trolling. Maybe we will troll to the other side. So the way I troll is just cast the jig backwards as far as you can. Let it hit the water. Put your rod in the rod holder, and then I'm good to paddle. I also have the paddle leash on the paddle, so I don't lose the paddle. It's probably something that you don't want to lose. So yeah, the paddle leash is right here. Finally got to use my net. Those pikes I was catching last week, they were too big to net, so I had to hand grab them. It's a lot easier for walleye to spit a hook, so I always net them. So I'm trolling my rod on the left side of me, and then I'm dragging my fish on the right side of me, so the two sides actually balance out a little bit, so I can paddle straight forward. Yeah, it's working pretty good. Oh, I just passed a big weed bed. So nice having the fish finder. You know, you learn so much that you don't know about. Just trolling about 4 feet here. Just watching my rod tip. Making sure it's, you know, bouncing on the bottom. I can adjust my speed manually. But yeah, you want to make sure the jig is just kind of bouncing hopping on the bottom. It's pretty sandy here, so I'm not too worried about getting snagged. Okay, there's walleyes there. I just spooked one. Okay, now remember it's over there. I spooked a fish. Just gonna cast over there. Here we go. Slow retrieval. So guys, let me show you the benefit of the bait feeding rod while kayaking. So say I have weeds on the end of my hook, right? If I want to get it off, I can just open on my looser drag, get it down, right to my face, and then close it to the heavier drag. And now look, I have my bait right here. I can take off the weed and then toss it right back out. That's how easy it is with a bait feeding reel. I went with the 7-foot rod today, only because it's longer. One, I can cast it further. Second is that I won't worry as much about getting it snagged onto my net behind me, so it clears it better. I think I'll start trolling again. Okay, oh, so relaxing. I'm just paddling, kind of enjoying the lake, but I'm also fishing at the same time. It's like double the fun. It's awesome. Okay, I'm marking some fish here, so I'm gonna do a leech. The leech I trapped this morning. Just put it right in the mouth. The leech. There we go. Maybe I'll do another one round. So I'm just using a jig and a leech. Try that out. Cast it out and drag it back slowly. Fish jumping everywhere around me. Oh, big fish jumped right in front of me. Would you like to be on YouTube? What's that? So I just met Han here. He watched one of my videos. Saw him on the water. He just caught a 28-inch walleye. Monster. Better than what I did so far. And also there is a dead beaver here. Just floating. Holy cow. It's a raccoon. It's a raccoon. I've never seen a raccoon this close before. Oh wow. I don't really want to touch him. Thing's big. Poor little guy. Okay, so I'm just trolling back to my truck now. The wind has changed directions. So on the paddle there, I was against the wind, and then all of a sudden the wind changed directions. 180. Now I'm paddling against the wind on the way back too. Against the wind both ways. The weather forecast lied to me. You gotta be so careful when you're out on the water. The wind can just change instantly.
2 hours later.
All packed up, ready to go. 7:30. Hate to leave prime time, but I'm tired. Oh, a fish just jumped there.